This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallows homemade. Bloom gelatin in cold water, heat sugar and corn syrup to soft ball stage, then slowly stream the hot syrup into the whipped egg whites while mixing on high. Continue whipping until the mixture is glossy and holds stiff peaks, then fold in vanilla, spread into a pan dusted with powdered sugar, let set, and cut into squares for the fluffiest treats. Blooming, temperature, and technique control texture more than ingredients alone, so pay attention to each step and timing. Use superfine sugar for a smooth mouthfeel, and stir in flavorings like vanilla or citrus, gently at the end. Color sparingly to avoid altering firmness, and cool the pan uncovered so marshmallows set with a stable crust before cutting and coating to prevent sticking and maintain pillowy softness. To shape marshmallows, dust cutters with powdered sugar and press gently to avoid tearing the delicate interior. For flavored centers, pipe softened marshmallow into hollowed shapes and seal with extra dusting. Store finished marshmallows in an airtight container at room temperature away from humidity, and refresh sticky edges by tossing briefly in more powdered sugar. They will remain soft and pillowy for several days when stored correctly and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.